For more than 150 years, islanders on the west coast of Scotland have relied on ferries, lifeline services carrying people, vehicles and goods between the islands and the mainland. Each generation of islanders has enjoyed better ferries. And now a world first, a sea-going, roll-on, roll-off, low-carbon hybrid ferry that uses diesel, electric and battery power. The ferry, called Hallaig, runs between two islands, Raasay and the Isle of Skye. Hallaig, chosen by public vote, is a poem by the renowned Raasay-born Sorley MacLean. It tells the story of an abandoned village on the island. Hallaig is over 43 metres long and 12 metres wide and carries up to 150 foot passengers and 23 cars, or 2 fully loaded heavy goods vehicles. The ferry sails at a speed of 9 knots. Hallaig is the greenest vessel in the West Coast Fleet. The groundbreaking technology on board will make the new ferry cleaner, quieter and cheaper to run and maintain. The battery power for the ferry comes from 2 sets of lithium-ion batteries. They provide high energy density and don't need maintenance. The power from the batteries flows through to the main switchboard and to the propulsion motors and controls all of the onboard electrical functions. The second source of power is 3 400-volt generators. This power flows through 2 motor drives linked to the propulsion units. These units have been designed to give a fast response when manoeuvring in bad weather, which is all too common on this route. The ferry has to have more than enough power to deal with stormy seas, but most of Hallaig's operations, in transit and at the slipway, occur at much lower power, where the diesel engine is less efficient. This is where the efficiency of the hybrid system comes into its own. The engine room has been designed to allow retrofitting in the future. As new green technologies emerge, Hallaig can easily be modernised, making the vessel even greener, more efficient and cheaper to run. Hallaig has 4 types of operation. The ferry can use the conventional diesel-electric generators to provide all the power, or the generators and batteries can be used at the same time, with the batteries providing at least 20% of the power. When Hallaig is at the slipway, the diesel generators can be switched off, with all the power coming from the batteries. This reduces carbon emissions to 0. When the ferry is tied up overnight, the batteries are slowly recharged over a period of up to 12 hours to extend battery life. Electricity is cheaper at night, again cutting costs. Local renewable energy sources, wind, tidal or solar, can also be used to charge the batteries, further reducing CO2 emissions. The owners of the ferry, Caledonian Maritime Assets, or CMAL, believe that Hallaig represents the future for short crossings on the west coast, greener ferries that help Scotland reduce its carbon footprint, while continuing to provide vital services to island communities.